To another big story we've been following today, a New York State Supreme Court judge ordered former President Donald Trump and his companies to pay close to $355 million in penalties in a civil fraud trial. And as Adam Longo explains, there's actually a D.C. connection to this case.
A big part of this judgment against former President Donald Trump and his co-defendants has to do with this place, the former Trump Hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue, just blocks from the White House. It's a Waldorf Astoria now. So in this 92-page decision from the New York judge overseeing the case, we've learned that Trump himself made a $127 million profit when he sold the hotel in 2022. And three of his children, Donald Jr., Eric, and Ivanka Trump, they made $4 million each. Well, here's the bottom line from the judge. If Trump and others hadn't lied about their financial situation, they would have never had this hotel in the first place. So here's how the judge put it. I want to read here from page 83 of his order. He said, quote, "As with so many Trump real estate deals, the old post office contract was obtained through the use of false SFCs. That's a statement of financial condition. No false SFCs, no deal." Now, this decision was released Friday, 4 months after the judge ruled that Trump had indeed committed fraud by inflating his assets and net worth. That helped him get better deals on loans and insurance. In fact, I'm going to paraphrase here from page 47, saying an expert witness concluded that during the 7-year period that Trump had the hotel, from 2015 to 2022, he apparently saved more than $53 million on interest payments because those false financial statements painted a much rosier picture to his lenders. Now, here was Trump shortly after the ruling was handed down.
And it's all having to do with election interference. There were no victims because the banks made a lot of money. They made $100 million.
Now, the judge's order also bars Trump from running any company in New York for 3 years. The ruling is one of the largest corporate sanctions in New York history. Trump and his team are expected to appeal. Adam Longo, WUSA 9.